Fake citations are destroying academic credibility, and you might not even know you're using them. As a researcher, you need every reference to be real, verified, and traceable. Your reputation depends on it. Meet Citely AI, the AI citation checker that instantly verifies references, catches fake citations, and finds original sources, so your research stays credible every single time. Let's dive in and see how this AI works.
This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Gurrutechsolutions.
First, open your web browser and type Citely AI in the search bar. Click on the first link that appears, or use the link provided in the description below to access the official Citely website directly. Now, Citely AI is a powerful tool that helps researchers find credible sources in seconds. It verifies citations, detects fake references, and locates original sources to ensure your research is authentic and reliable. The platform is integrated with leading academic databases, including PubMed, Crossref, OpenAlex, and many more. So, let's begin by signing in. If you're a new user, you can easily sign up using your Google account. Once logged in, you'll see the user-friendly interface. Citely offers two main features: finding sources and verifying references. Let's explore each one. First, we'll explore the Find Source feature. While Citely provides example text you can use, I'll demonstrate with my own draft, a 500-word essay on technology and its impact on student learning. This essay includes various cited studies using in-text citations and a reference list. Now, normally, finding relevant sources to cite for a specific paragraph would take considerable time. However, Citely AI streamlines this process. Simply copy the text for which you need sources and paste it into the designated space. Then hit Enter. Citely AI will search for sources through 4 systematic steps: scanning academic databases, cross-referencing citations, tracing publication lineage, and validating authenticity. Once complete, you'll see a results interface displaying relevant academic papers. In this example, Citely has suggested 8 different papers that support my paragraph. The first source is titled Digital Learning in the 21st Century: Challenges and Innovations in Technology Integration. Below the title, you'll find the author names, DOI number, and an expandable abstract that provides more details about the paper's relevance. You can review each suggested source individually. For instance, another result shows an article titled Artificial Intelligence: Revolutionizing Digital Marketing, complete with author information and a comprehensive abstract to help you determine its relevance. What's particularly useful is that you can access the full paper by clicking the Access button, which directs you to the official publication page where you can read or download the complete paper, often for free. Once you've identified a relevant source, you can add it to your manuscript by including the author's last name and publication date in your in-text citation. Then copy the reference in your preferred citation style, in this case APA format, and paste it into your reference list. This is how Citely helps you find credible sources to strengthen and authenticate your academic arguments. Now, let's explore the second feature: verifying references. Click on Verify References to access this tool. Here, you'll input all your references into the designated space, and Citely will analyze them. Let me demonstrate by pasting the references from our academic manuscript. Once pasted, hit Enter. Citely will split and confirm each reference individually. Review them, then hit Enter again. This will consume 1 credit. The verification process involves 4 steps: analyzing content patterns, running AI detection algorithms, cross-referencing writing styles, and finalizing an authenticity score. For the first reference, you can see the title similarity is 100%, author similarity is 100%, and date similarity is also 100%. This confirms it's an authentic study. Below, you'll find complete details, including the title, authors' names, date, and a link to access the full paper. However, the second reference shows a verification failure. While the title and date similarities are 100%, the authors' names are completely different, indicating a potential issue. You can click the provided link to visit the official academic paper page and verify whether this is a genuine reference or a fabricated one. The remaining references in this example have been successfully verified. Verifying references manually would take considerable time, but Citely accomplishes this in seconds. It gives you the opportunity to verify sources and make your academic writing more genuine and authentic. These two features, finding sources and verifying references, are essential tools that every academic researcher needs. Try Citely AI for yourself using the link in the description and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more AI tools related to academic research.